Thank you very much. My name is Mr. Jeng. I'm a Gambian. I came to SMD sent by my office, the Gambia Revenue Authority, to come and attend this program on procurement. The procurement program that we have attended was very instructive and educative. More especially the facilitator, who has wealth of experience in procurement in terms of projects, the World Bank system, and public procurement. He has almost 20-something years of experience in the international, in Africa. So more or less we have learned a lot of best practice, that we can take back home and then, institute those kind of ideas, to bring about the change that we envisaged prior to coming to this program. Actually, what we have learned here is to be more reform-oriented, because procurement, as you may understand, is playing a very important role in the development of all the countries. We have politicians who want to use us to bring about their deliverables. So in the end, if we are very effective and efficient in the dispensation of our work, it will make them to live up to their promise. Because for them, they can just go out and promise that we want to bring about project A, B, and C. Now the onus is on us, the procurement specialists, to tailor out our plans and programs, that would make those promises realizable. And I think the techniques have been definitely made clearer to us by the facilitator through his experience. And for SMD, I am really impressed. Impressed in the sense that I've asked myself this question: why do we go to travel afar for training programs that are available, within a close distance? So the proximity, of SMD to us, especially where I come from, makes it really easy for me. It's like I've left my home, come to another home. I didn't have any problems to interact in the society because it's the same culture, whatever. And besides, the administration, the facilitators, the staff and management are really great, because in fact, it is here that I came to realize all the more that leadership is cause and everything else is effect. So the kind of leadership that they have, has really reflected in the structure, the programs, the quality, to cap it all. SMD has definitely, got what it takes to come here to develop yourself in any field of study that you want to embark upon. Thank you.